Hi guys, welcome to TechBased. In this video, we're going to talk about Windows 11 23H2. Well, Windows 11 23H2 has been released to the main release of Windows 11. Microsoft has made the official announcement on Twitter a little while ago. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to get this update, where are the official ISOs for this new version of Windows, and also what are some specific new features that are tied to Windows 11 23H2, of course, except the moment for update features, which are all included in this update. So if you enjoy videos like these, please don't forget to leave a like below and also subscribe to the TechBased channel with the notification bell activated so that you won't miss any future uploads like this one. So let's begin with the video. First of all, to get this update through Windows Update, you're going to have to open up the start menu or the search box and open the settings app. In the settings app, make sure you go to Windows Update and then make sure to turn on get the latest updates as soon as they're available. Be among the first to get the latest non-security updates, fixes, and improvements as they roll out, and then click on check for updates. What you need to know is that this is not rolling out straight away to all users. Microsoft will roll out this to users who are eligible, and of course this will be gradual so that most likely their servers won't be overused, but just make sure to check for updates to all these steps and you should receive a message that allows you to upgrade to Windows 11 23H2. Microsoft also updated their official website where you have access to Windows 11 the 2023 update or version 23H2, and you have the Windows 11 installation assistant, you have the possibility to create a Windows 11 installation media or to get the Windows 11 disk image for x64 devices. Of course, you're going to have the official Microsoft website in the article below in the video description, and on this website along with that you're also going to have the PC health check app with which you can check if your PC is compatible with Windows 11 23H2 or not. Of course, if you don't get the update straight away, you can either use the Windows 11 installation assistant or the Windows 11 installation media tool to upgrade to the latest version. If you want to do a clean install, the second method is recommended. The build that will be installed along with Windows 11 23H2 is the build 22631.2428, and after you do the upgrade, make sure to update to the latest version because 23H2 already has another newer version which is the same build but 0.2506, and that includes some improvements and fixes. This was noted by Phantommission3 on Twitter, so shout out to him. So now let's talk about new features. Of course, Windows 11 version 23H2 includes all the new features from the moment for update for Windows 11 22H2 with the new file explorer, new archiving formats, new taskbar functions, the new Copilot AI assistant, and so on. But specific to 23H2, the chat is now Microsoft Teams free and is now pinned by default to the taskbar, and also Microsoft is doing some changes to your applications. Under all apps on the start menu, Windows 11 system labels will now show a system label, and they also created a separate page for system components inside settings, system, and system components. And this is basically all there is to it to Windows 11 23H2. Basically, this is just a quick upgrade, a quick version change that doesn't include a lot of new features, but of course includes all the features from Windows 11 moment for update, and if you have them already, you're going to have them in Windows 11 23H2 as well. So if you're on the main release, don't forget to check for updates. Also make sure you get the latest updates as soon as they're available using the slider and settings, and you should get Windows 11 23H2. If you have other questions or videos that you want me to do about Windows 11 23H2, don't forget to leave a comment below the video. So this was the video for today. I hope you liked it. If you did, please don't forget to leave a like below and also subscribe to the TechBased channel with the notification bell activated so that you won't miss any future uploads like this one. I was Emmanuel from TechBased. Until next time, have a nice day.